Just hold on. Woof!
This is Caliber Bay. We need immediate assistance.
Rescue dispatch.
I'm on it.
Let's go. Check.
Ready. Let's go.
Estimated time of arrival in 10 minutes.
Confirmed. Beach access is clear.
Command, where are we at right now? What's our ETA, and is the area clear?
Confirmed. No one's touching the animals.
We have a large python here. We need immediate assistance.
It's all right. Everything's gonna be okay.
Stay calm.
Woof, woof. Hey, over here. Oh, yeah.
Python's head position, how many wraps are engaged, how's the pink dolphin breathing?
The head is at the base of the neck. It's got 3 wraps on the dolphin, and the dolphin is breathing shallow.
All right, team, establish a clear perimeter now. Copy that. Status confirmed, officer.
Copy that. Moving to secure perimeter.
Copy that. Roger that. Confirming containment almost secure.
Heart activity and respiratory motion trending steadier. No deep structural injury.
You are very good. You are very good. It's just fine. You are going to be just fine.
1, 2, 3, lift.
At the waterline they pause for the swell.
Good job today, boy. He's so happy.